Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. In this video, we're going to practice finding the area of a rectangle using the formula. No more counting squares. Make sure you watch the lesson video. It's called Finding the Area Using a Formula. In this video, you're going to find out how to go from counting squares to using a formula when you're looking for the area. Then come back and you can practice with me. Here's our first shape. What is the area of the shape? I want you to pause the video, figure it out, and then come back. Some of you got it, right? And some of you are going, oh no, I forgot what to do. That's because you didn't watch the lesson video, but we'll go ahead and figure it out. The formula for finding the area of a four-sided shape, a quadrilateral, rectangle, square, is multiply the length times the width. So in this case, we are multiplying 5 times 7. We don't have to count any squares. In the lesson video, she gives you an example of how you could have squares in there and it comes out the same. She proves that theory. But 7 times 5 is 35, and the area equals 35 square feet. One of the things I really want to emphasize whenever you're talking about area, always say square feet. If you just say it's 35, the person receiving that information is going to go 35 what? Are you talking about 35 popsicles? 35 cents? What? 35 miles? You have to use that unit of measurement. Square feet is what we say when we're talking about area. This time, I want you to find the area of the shape. After you figure it out, before you turn the video back on, after you pause it, I want you to read your answer. Area equals the answer, square meters. Get in the habit of saying the entire answer. All right, our formula is the length times the width. So we have 9 times 2 meters. 18 square meters is your answer. Now you can also write it this way. I'm leaving the word square there because I really want you to start saying that, but the shortcut, you could also say 18 meters squared. And that little 2 up there, it's an exponent, but it means squared. Either way is okay. What is the area of this shape? All right, good job. You paused your video, now you're back. We have 8 times 3. Did you notice you need to know your multiplication facts? How many of these took a little bit longer than you think you should have? If you're struggling with multiplication fact like 8 times 3, I highly recommend that you take some time and practice memorizing your multiplication facts. That's going to make your higher level of math easier when it has more steps. 8 times 3 is 24, and our answer is area equal 24 square centimeters, or we can say 24 centimeters squared. Both are correct. What is the area of this shape? Pause your video and then come back. I think you'll know this one pretty quickly. Oh, look at you. You're back so fast. I knew you'd get this one faster. Everybody knows their tens, right? 10 times 4 is 40. My favorite multiplication facts. 40 square inches or 40 inches squared. That is your area. IN is inches, and we write our 2 for squared. We have one more left. And I purposely made this an easy one so you can figure it out quickly. What is the area of this shape? Now this is a square. I did give you 2 sides, but as you're figuring it out, let me know a fact that we know about squares and the measurement of the sides. Pause your video and then come back. Did you say that every square has 4 equal sides? If you did, you're absolutely right. So I could have given you just one side for the square, and knowing that information, you would have known to multiply 3 times 3. And you also know it's 9. The area for the square is 9 square meters, or 9 meters squared. You did a great job. Now these were simple multiplication problems. Sometimes those numbers can be a lot bigger. Just remember that. The thing I wanted you to get today was how do I figure out the area and what is the unit of measurement? Square meters or meters squared? Square is the important word that you need to remember.